Now, the last thing about Google Meet I want to discuss is the Google Meet attendance, automatic attendance. Like you can see this particular button here. So basically it is very cumbersome to share the feedback form again and again daily, and you have to create the feedback form separately and change the dates manually. So is there any solution? Yes, there is a solution. The solution is called extension called Meet Attendance. So this is basically a Meet Attendance. So right now I have just clicked here, and if I click on this, it will create a different Excel sheet. The name here is Meet Attendance with today's date. So what it will do, it will automatically fetch the details of the attendees. So after some time it will uh, take data that whoever is joined, it will automatically fetch the data, and you can see here I have not done anything, so it has already recorded that the participant Ashwani and Bharti Tanwar joined at this time 4:23 and left at this time. You have not left, but it records the last time that you were present here, and the duration is not. So the this Meet link will be updated time to time, and this entry will be refreshed. So it will tell us when the participant joined, when he or she left, and for how much time the participant was there in the particular meeting. Okay, now how to install this extension? So that is very simple. So for that you have to turn this option. You have to sign in the Google Chrome with your account, with your if you have a certain organization, you can log in with that, and always turn your sync on so that it can access the browser can access the data simultaneously in the meantime. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to Google Chrome extension. Just go to there, and then you can start click here Chrome Web Store. Okay, then in the Chrome Web Store you can go to extensions, and you can type here Meet Attendance. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I have installed this Meet Attendance. This is already added. So you can click here, like in this example, you can add to Chrome here. So I have installed this Meet Attendance, remove from Chrome because I have already installed it earlier. So when you install this, okay, and log in, join, sync this with your Google account. This, after refreshing your browser, you will get this icon here. Okay, so there are two options: add sheets, new sheet. If you click new sheet here, it will create new sheet. Okay, and if you click here add sheet, so what it will do, it will create a sheet here. Okay, another sheet. Right now it is not created, I don't need it. So this is the use of this extension. Okay, the Meet Attendance, the automatic attendance. So we need not to worry about sharing the feedback form again and again. The Meet Attendance already fetch all the details whenever the participant join this meeting. So now you can see the entries are refreshed. The participant joined at 4:23, and the last it was the participant was seen at 26, so it has calculated the duration automatically. And whenever a new participant join, it will also give some information here. So this is how we create a Google Meet, how to use the record options, how to use how to present the screen, and also how to plug in the Google Meet attendance extension, basically the extension is a third-party extension, and it asks you for different permissions, like to read and write your personal data. So in order to use that extension, you have to give permission.